The kit that helps you finally trust yourself again. If you've reached the point where you second guess every decision, this video is for you. When overthinking goes unchecked, it slowly erodes self-trust. If you want to start an online business or move forward in life but feel unsure of your own choices, you're not broken, you're overwhelmed. In this video, we talk about how constant self-doubt forms and why it makes even simple decisions feel heavy. When your mind questions every move, it's hard to act confidently or feel at peace with the choices you make. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who feel stuck because they no longer trust their instincts. You'll hear why rebuilding self-trust doesn't require a personality change. It requires tools that help you calm racing thoughts and make decisions without replaying them endlessly. You deserve a mind that supports you, not one that constantly sabotages you. Confidence doesn't come from never doubting. It comes from knowing how to move forward, even when doubt shows up. The Stop Overthinking Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed to help you rebuild self-trust step by step. Inside, you'll find tools to calm mental noise, make decisions with more confidence, and stop second-guessing yourself. It's especially helpful if you're using resale rights digital kits and need a clearer mindset to follow through consistently.